Hi, gardening friends. I was able to attend the 2025 Philadelphia Flower Show today. It was Members Preview Day, and the theme of this year's show is Gardens of Tomorrow. And I thought I'd share some of the footage that I shot today, and especially I wanted to share this first display that was my favorite, Welcoming Wildlife. It was just so full of beautiful flowers, very colorful, and the way that the landscape team leveraged all types of materials to create this very creative display was just fantastic. So I hope you enjoy this footage, and if you have a chance to attend the show, I would recommend it. Happy gardening.
They've been working on this for months and they've transported them here.
He's cute. What? Of the smoke? Yeah.